Hello everyone, this is Vaibhav from Algorancy. Welcome to our channel. So in my previous video, we have discussed about complexities and have seen how time complexity of algorithms work. If you don't know how, the link to my previous video is in the description box. Now coming to the space complexity. So what is a space complexity? Space complexity is the amount of memory used by the algorithm to execute and produce the result. Memory. So what do you think about memory? Okay, so let's think about it as little boxes with a specific storage capacity like this. So we have 12 storage blocks with from index from 0 to 11. Okay, so here we are looking at 12 block memory set. As in general, we always have a finite number of memory blocks. So in order to enhance the capacity or the space complexity, uh, we have to ensure that our algorithm is taking minimal memory space. So your program will always store a variable in a memory slot. These memory slots are made up of bits. Bits means zeros and ones. So we actually store our data in the memory slots in the form of bits, with each memory block having 8 bits. And 8 bits are known as byte. That is, 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Okay. So now let us take an example. Assume a variable k, which is an integer. So here we are talking about a 32-bit base memory space. That means this integer k is gonna take up 4 bytes of memory. Here the 50 and 31, yes, that is 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 is the bit representation of 7. Okay. Now since we are talking about 32-bit base memory space, so this k is gonna take 4 byte of memory, that is 4 space blocks from 4 to 7. Okay, just assume that is it is gonna cover 4 memory blocks. Okay. This is how it works in different ways for different type of data structures such as arrays, linked lists, etc. In arrays, the allotted memory space is always consecutive, which sometimes considered as a problem, and this problem is overcome by the data structure linked list. In linked list, we can store our nodes anywhere and in any order. In linked list, each node has two subnodes, one to store its value, another to store the address of the next node, and so on. Here, as we can see in the figure, the first part of node 1 is storing the value, another part that is next is storing the address of another node, that is node 2. Now we will take an example to see how actually space complexity works. Consider an array of size n. Now our task is to make another array B from this array A with same elements as of A in it. So there can be two methods. One, we can assign A directly to B, allowing B to access the same memory space that is used by A currently. So it will take unit space, that is the space complexity is going to be order of 1, big O of 1. Now coming to our second way. So the another way is copying the elements of A in B like this. In other programming languages such as C, C++, Java, etc., we have to iterate the whole array to copy it to another space. First we have to declare an array B, and then we'll iterate with the help of a for or a while loop, then store each element of A to B. But in Python, we can just use the slice operation and perform it like this. B is equal to A, big bracket colon, then closing the big bracket. This is the way we perform the slice operation in Python. Okay, here we are actually allotting a whole new memory space to B, which will consume a space n, which is equal to the size of array A. So here the space complexity will be order of n. So that is it for space complexity, guys. I hope you like our video. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you, guys.